New Lots Avenue bound 4 express train. The next stop is Franklin Avenue, Medgar Evers College. This is Franklin Avenue, Medgar Evers College.
Transfer is available to the 2, 3, and 5 trains. Transfer is available to the Franklin Avenue shuttle.
This is a New Lots Avenue bound 4 express train. The next stop is Crown Heights, Utica Avenue. Utica Avenue.
Transfer is available to the 3 train.
Transfer to the D46 Select Bus Service. This is a New Lots Avenue bound 4 train. The next stop is Sutter Avenue, Rutland Road.